Alright, here we go. Nobody's coming. Watch out, little birdie. Alright, everything's in the green. Gonna wind from the right. Everything's looking good. $80, $85, $90. Bob's right gear coming out, lights on. Got amp on. I'll get the air conditioner back on.
Berkeley County traffic, Skyhawk 3 Mike Tango, taxi until runway 5 from ramp, Berkeley.
Mike Tango, Berkeley County winds 1508, altimeter's 29er, we just had a Bonanza depart.
And Berkeley County traffic, 57 November is departing the pattern to the north. Other birds, there's a lot of birds down here, my goodness. Gotta watch out for the birds. Charleston approach, Bonanza 2357 November.
I'm sorry, say again?
Bonanza 2357 November, we're just off Berkeley County looking to pick up the IFR back to Greensboro.
Bonanza 2357 November, squawk 1675.
Okay, 57 November. Let's turn on George.
As 57 November, radar contact 4 miles northeast of the Berkeley County Airport, northeastbound 1,300. Clear to the Greensboro Airport via direct. Maintain 5,000. Altimeter is 2999.
Okay, cleared to Greensboro direct 5,000 and 2999, 57 November.
Departure number 5229 is 1.45.